To be frank with you, I'm highly pissed off. I'm highly disappointed with you. Yes, I'm pissed off with you. Whoever this is, Mr. Anonymous, I'm seriously pissed off with you. And this only goes to show that you don't take seriously the things that I teach on this channel. No, you don't. If you do rate me or take seriously the thing that I teach here, tell me how on earth would you have gone to someone's comment section to write a comment like this? How on earth would you have done something like this? How on earth would you have written something like this? I seriously need an answer. How on earth would you have written something like this? This is embarrassing, bro. The guy didn't told Messi to get up. I can't believe you wrote this, bro. You wrote this, Mr. Anonymous. You wrote this. It's okay. That's why I'm here. So let's get to it. Mr. Anonymous did write. The guy didn't tell Messi to get up. The guy didn't told Messi to get up. What exactly do you think is wrong with this expression? Yes, everybody should talk now. I'm summoning everybody to this panel. You should speak. What do you think is wrong with this? Because I've done something like this before. We've taken something like this once or twice before. So what's wrong with this expression? Yes, that's right. That's right. The problem is here. Told. The rule of grammar says that every time you have this verb, did or didn't, this past tense verbs, anytime you have this, the next verb must always be a present tense verb. So this shouldn't have been told, rather it should have been tell. The guy didn't tell Messi to get up. The guy didn't speak with me. That boy didn't eat. Not that boy didn't spoke. That woman didn't went. There is nothing like that grammatically. So, Mr. Anonymous, if you're watching this video, make sure you go to that comment. Either you delete it completely or you edit it to read, the guy didn't tell Messi to get up. Don't forget, if anything, that every time you use the past tense did or didn't, the next verb must always be in the present tense. I didn't speak with you. I didn't talk to him. I didn't eat. I didn't tell. I didn't go. I didn't aspire. I didn't write. I didn't sit. I didn't run. So that is the rule that applies to you combining a verb with the past tense did or didn't. Again, Mr. Anonymous, make sure you make comment. See you next time.